Okay, so here is the testing center. Nice standing water everywhere where the line is. You can hear me sloshing everywhere. So check everything out there. And here's the office. Also standing water. Not much can be helped there. You can see it goes into my office. On the floor kind of stops there. There's a little bit in Gloria's office. You can see here it's dripping from the ceiling. And it's dripping from that one as well. You can hear a lot of dripping. But it doesn't go beyond there, which is nice. We've got standing water all the way in the back here. And we've got it just going barely into the music room. If you can see that, it just goes about 10 feet into the music room. Got this whole back here. Got to the wall there. Not too far on the front line. And just barely on the back. So all of this is actually okay, which is nice. And the only other area that we have it, you see that, we're going to come in here. The only other area that we have water is over by the door over here. So right by the door, because it came in through, actually from underneath the door. You see there's actually bark from somewhere that got pulled into the testing center. But it doesn't go too far actually, it just probably about 10-15 feet into the testing room, just on these couple rows. And that's it.